everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make a rose flower. Here we're going to make the petals. Take some old cards and press the snow like this, and we're going to roll it around the stick. Keep adding more snow and look, your beautiful rose flower is ready. Let's use this badminton cork and we're going to make a lamp. So we're going to remove the feather. Now paste it on another one. Look how we're doing here. Keep adding the feathers and we're going to cover the entire cork, and then we're going to put a fairy light, paste it, and look, your beautiful lamp is ready. Let's reuse pista cells. So we're going to color it red. We're making flower here. So paste it one after another on this red color of straw and make this beautiful flower. Cut the extra part, put the hanging and frill, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to cut 4 circles, make a hole at the center and paste all the strips around it. Cover it on the top, look like this. Now we are going to paste all these strips on another circle and put a bamboo stick at the center. Cover it from the side. Now we are going to use this straw and cover it, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to take this red color of rubber band and tie a knot at the center part. Now we are going to fold it again and continue the process of tying a knot. After this, we are going to pull the rubber band from the side, and look, the design is ready. Adjust it and look, it's done. We are going to put the frill and hanging, and look how beautiful these colorful designs are looking. We are going to use this egg crate and make fishes. So we are going to cut small portion of the egg crate, paste all of them together. Now we are going to draw some lines using a marker. Look how we are doing here. Paste the eyes of the fish, and look, it's ready. After this, we're also adding a beautiful frill on the bottom side. It's done. So we're going to use this egg crate, cut a row. After this, we're going to cut it from the bottom part as well. Now further make more designs and paste both of them together. After this, using a thread and needle, we're going to sew all of the designs together, and look, your beautiful hanging is ready. We're going to use this orange skin and make a beautiful flower. So peel out the orange like this. Now we're going to tear small pieces and paste one after another on the stick using hot glue gun, and it's done. Here we are going to cut a small piece of orange paper, make multiple fold and make small pleats. After this, we're going to open it and make this M shape. Now make more such colorful shapes and paste all of them on the top of the ice cream stick, and look, your beautiful craft is ready. Here we are going to make multiple fold on this red color of craft paper. Make mini folds. Now we are going to press it and fold it into 3 parts. After this, we are going to press it from the top, look like this, and make multiple fold as well. Now flip the paper, and then we are going to fold it from other side, look like this. After doing this, we are going to press it from the bottom part and make this beautiful shape. Roll it and make a ball like this, and look, your infinity ball is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.